How to program a Rockies motor remote. Rockies 3-inch motor kit comes with a programmable remote with 2 sets of buttons. This allows you to program 2 motors to one remote. For the standard 3-inch motor kit, we will only be using the left set of buttons. To program the remote, hold the button on the motor and press the top left button on the remote. The light will blink and the motor will start to turn. To stop the motor, press either of the left buttons. To reverse direction, press the bottom left button. Using the remote allows you to stop and start the reel while you are putting the cover on and off. This is especially useful if you have a ladder or stair cutouts that need to be adjusted as the reel turns. If the remote ever stops communicating with the motor, simply redo the programming steps. For more information on our 3-inch motor kit and other exciting new Rockies products, visit www.rockies.ca.